Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Monday, July 13th. What's going on from forexfactory.com calendar? 12:30 we have FOMC member Waller speaking. At 2 p.m. we have the federal budget balance. These are both yellow items, which means low impact. So actually not much going on from a scheduled news perspective today. Looking at the charts, the daily chart here, you can see that on Friday we had a expansion day a little bit. We broke out of this range, but not very good, and volume was not very good at all either. Not much to talk about. We are slightly gapping down. I think we have just maybe expanded this little range of just a tiny bit. So it sure feels like we're just doing this sideways action. Short term sideways, medium term sideways, long term still up. We are technically above the moving averages, the 20, the 50, the 100, and the 200-day moving average. We're all above that at this point in time. Where is the bigger picture? The big pictures are a run back to the highs, which is around 76.89-ish. On the downside, we would be going back to last week's low, somewhere around 74.77. That's a bit. Taking a look at the inventory, on Friday we had positive price action on positive inventory. Again, nothing to write home about. This means the market is correlating correctly, moving correctly. Internals are doing what they're supposed to do. Looking at the overnight action, approximately 49 points. Well, 49 is it's not as high as it's been, but it's certainly greater than the long-term average of 22 to 25. However, the last 5 months or so, we've been in the 60s as an average. So 49 is kind of just don't care. Where do we have support and resistance? So we've got some resistance right in here around 76.07. A little bit of confluence up here at 76.26, 76.40. Again, we get up in here in the nosebleed area above 76.68. Nothing going on up here because we've got no prior history. Where do we have support? Definitely got some support here around 75.66, 75.51. A little bit of confluence around 75.41, 75.25, 75.06, of course, 7,500. Stock Trader's Almanac for today is 66.7% chance the market will be up today from the Stock Trader's Almanac. Hope you have a great day. Happy trading. Remember to subscribe and like. See you tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com.